Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install Prestashop on localhost. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search for Prestashop download and then select the link. Now tick both the conditions and click download. Here the file will be downloaded. So right click, open in the folder. Now the zip file will be shown in the download folder. Copy the file and paste it into other folder, localhost, and then extract the zip file, and after extracting, delete the zip file folder only. Then open MAMP. Now click to start and also check both Apache and MySQL that they must be on. Then open new tab and search for localhost / your folder name Prestashop. It will start downloading. Now open new tab again, search for localhost php admin. Click database and now name the database. I'm naming it here in database _ store and click create button. After that, choose the language and then click next. Agree to the terms and conditions. Fill the form. In database server bar, if you are using XAMPP, then make sure not change the numbers, and if you are using MAMP, then replace the number with localhost. After that, put the database name correctly and then click next. The installation will be finished. Now open front office to check the store and then open back office. You have to delete the install folder from the Prestashop file. So go to the localhost folder and then click Prestashop. And now search for install folder and delete it or move it to the bin. Then open back office and click sign up. And here the Prestashop will open. That's how you will install Prestashop in localhost. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.